Once an FBI agent, now a criminal defendant. Tonight, the man hired to investigate former Missouri Governor Eric Greitens is facing multiple felony charges. Good evening, I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. William Don Tisaby. He's accused of lying under oath and tampering with evidence. He pleaded not guilty to those allegations just this afternoon. 5 on Your Side investigative reporter Jacob Long is live in downtown St. Louis. You've been working with the latest on this case. Jacob.
Well, Mike and Ann, these charges and this indictment right here, this is all the result of an ongoing investigation by a court-appointed special prosecutor, one that has been simmering just below the surface for about a year now. These charges also not very good news for St. Louis's circuit attorney Kim Gardner. She personally hired William Don Tisaby, and now she is implicated in multiple ways in this indictment that just became unsealed today. Sneaking out the back of the civil courthouse in a taxpayer-funded car from the St. Louis Sheriff's Office, former FBI agent William Don Tisaby made a swift escape Monday afternoon, but he was unable to dodge the grasp of Special Prosecutor Jerry Carmody, whose grand jury last week indicted Tisaby on 6 counts of perjury and 1 count of tampering with evidence, all felonies tied directly to the failed invasion of privacy prosecution of former Missouri Governor Eric Greitens that stemmed from allegations of blackmail during an affair. The charges against Tisaby allege in part that he intentionally concealed documents from Greitens' defense team, including his and St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner's notes from interviews with Greitens' mistress. Tisaby's also accused of lying about just how much he and Gardner were coordinating. In just one instance alone, the indictment alleges that Gardner and Tisaby met in person over 2 days in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, before they had even interviewed the mistress. Actions that Greitens' defense team says potentially caused incredible damage to witnesses. But it's not anything that Tisaby's defense attorney Jermaine Wooten wanted to talk about as he was leaving court. Why is he getting special treatment leaving the courthouse in a taxpayer-funded car when he's a criminal defendant?
No comment.
Is he cooperating with the investigation? The ongoing investigation? Is your client cooperating?
No comment.
Now, to be abundantly clear here, St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner has not been charged with any criminal wrongdoing, but like I said, this indictment does implicate her. For instance, she's alleged to have instructed her own staff not to report these perjury allegations to St. Louis police when they first surfaced. She's also alleged to have had Tisaby reaffirm under oath the very same statements that the special prosecutor now says were entirely false. No comment tonight from Kim Gardner. We're live downtown. Jacob Long, 5 on Your Side.